Hello everyone, Ni hao and Salamat datang. My name is Sharif, I'm the Regional Director of LICONET Asian Pacific region, and today I would like to welcome you in the wonderful country of Malaysia. Here in our office in Menara Maxis KLCC. We have just opened our new headquarters here. Everything has started 2018. We have been talking with our founder and visionary Hubert Freidl, and we have talked about the future of Asia and how we can develop the market. So what is our strategy? We start to fully develop the country of Malaysia, and with the power of Malaysia we will conquer the whole Asian Pacific region. And today, ladies and gentlemen, I have a very big surprise to all of you. Currently, our biggest leaders of Malaysia are just having now a meeting in our new meeting room. So I want you to introduce you to them. Please follow me. Ni hao, selamat datang. Apa kabar?
Dr. Sharif, ni hao.
Ni hao, Dr. Jenny. And our most important slogan, what we should never forget, together we are